Hey, Justin and Leon here, FNK Classic Cars.
Word up, down. Say hi to your mother, your mother-in-law, your sister, sister-in-law, cousin-in-law.
All those people.
Dog, cat, bird, airplane, whatever you got.
Okay. Hey, we're back with
the 60.
Right.
Again.
Except now.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Well, I just wanted to let y'all people know,
Yeah.
Please watch this one, because we did a video on this car, and me and him watched it, and that was it.
Yeah.
So
I think we picked a bad day. We tried something experimental.
Yeah.
And we put it up on a Thursday, but
it didn't work out.
You know. Hey.
But anyway, we did a couple little things to it. We'll walk around and tell you what we did, and I think it looks a lot classier than it did before.
Yeah.
This is a video if you buy a mediocre car like we've done in the past and put a set of wheels and tires on it and get rid of some of the hokey.
Right.
It's a pretty nice car. And this car, you know, I talked it down the first video. This car's not that bad.
Yeah, this is actually...
It's really not.
Yeah, it's a great car.
You know, it has a trunk floor, it has floors.
Runs
you know, somebody's been there on the quarters and tried to put a quarter skin on it, and they didn't do a real good job on the edges, but...
Yeah.
You know, you could straighten all that out and paint it again and make it perfect, but just to rock it, it's like...
It's a great driver.
You know, blue suede and satin silver metallic. I mean, the car looks great.
Yeah.
Just driving down the street and thumbs up, and you know, we've been riding around it a little bit, and everybody loves this thing.
Well, let's get at it. I'll grab the camera and let's show everybody what we did.
2 thumbs. All right, I didn't do much under here. The air cleaner element was too small. The air cleaner was bright orange. I did it black, and I put the right size air cleaner element on it just to
dress it up.
It was too much orange. You know, everything was orange. So I think it helped some.
This is much gooder.
And then we did a couple things on the outside, but this, if you remember from the previous video, we knew it was a dual master cylinder.
Right.
But we know now, and he's got a picture of it.
Yes.
Picture. He'll do a little blurb. But we know now that it's also disc brakes on the front.
Right. Fancy.
So it's manual disc brake, manual steering. The motor fires right up every time. One pump on the gas, and you turn the key half a crank, and it's running.
All right.
You know,
next thing.
327 2-barrel.
Right. We did wheels and covers.
Yes. That made a giant. Oh, let me put the hood down.
Have a good time putting the hood down. I don't know what I'm saying.
Now, and what you ought to do here, which I'm sure he will, because he's the editing professional. But he'll do a still picture of what it looked like before.
Yes.
The wheels and tires.
Right, before the,
you know,
transformation.
And these wheels are, you know, they're older tires, so they're basically for aesthetics.
Yeah.
You know, they got all kinds of tread, but they're old and they are biased. So.
Right, but they fit the look of the car.
Oh, beautiful.
Also,
the squared off tread and the wide white
tailpipe,
medium width.
It's no longer a curb feeler.
Yeah, I mean
that's way better.
And this car, did we show inside the trunk before?
I think so, but you can open it up again.
Let me get the key.
While you get the key, I'll show the interior again.
Yeah.
For those who didn't see the
interior is nice in this car. I was surprised about that, because when we got down there, I thought the interior was going to be roached, but it's actually nice.
Yeah.
So, we'll open the trunk here. But this thing, yeah, I mean, somebody... Oh, I got to take gas can out.
Oh.
I forgot about that. Yeah. But somebody took the time, you know, it needs vacuum. Just got a couple little whirly birds off a maple tree in it, but it's, yeah, and like, if you lift up here, you know, where they always rot, it's not bad. No, I mean, it's not beautiful, but it's not a gaping hole. Usually you're looking at the tire.
Right.
So.
And for those who missed it last time, Betty Page. Don't know if that's the name of the car at one point or just in honor of Betty Page, but there it is.
Yeah, we were told
schooled
on the last video that was a centerfold from the 50s, which I didn't know that. And now I do, of course.
Now we know.
The rest of the story. You want to lock keys in the trunk, right?
Yeah. Knowing is half the battle.
Yeah. And like, you know, if you come back around, there's a couple things that the guy that had it before. So, you know, it's a Biscayne.
Yeah.
So it shouldn't have the chrome here. This is, I
Bel
think,
Air.
the Bel Air stuff. And then this chrome would have been all 3 pieces on the pallet. He just put the center on, which I actually like that. It doesn't look bad.
Yeah, she's a good looking car. Well, shall we take it for a drive?
Yeah, we can take it for a little ride, and then we'll come back for a second, just say goodbye, and that would be it. I really like this car.
What are you doing?
My parade wave. All right.
Come on, it's hot.
Well, just for that, I'm going to sit here a couple more minutes.
Oh my God.
Listen to that.
boiling.
It's like a kitten. Look at my hand. It's weird.
I see that. Is this your
Anyway.
first time on camera?
Yeah. Oh, do I have to move? Or you just want to? Is this a good drive? We're just sitting here still. All right, I'm going to put it in gear, people.
All right, let's
Okay.
go.
If you're in front of us, look out,
It's hot in here.
because you're going to get run over by a Big Blue, Big Bertha. And you know, we made fun of this car. We should be a little nicer.
No, this is actually a nice car.
It's not as bad as we were saying.
It looks a lot better with the wheels and hubcaps on it, I think.
Yeah, and not to mention the fact that
And the tailpipe,
I like it.
the air cleaner, all that is
It really helps.
marked improvement.
Yeah.
Market or marked improvement?
Marginal.
Or that.
Marginal at best.
Marginal at best.
Margarine's best. What?
Where are we going? We're backing her up.
Yeah, I'm going to go forward here in a minute.
All right, look at that. We're doing the backwards thing. There's
The
like
only thing that could be added to this car that would make it a tad more wonderful would
Power
be
steering.
power steering. But it's not bad if you're moving.
right
If you're not moving, it sort of sucks.
Okay.
Sort of.
Sorta.
And the dying duck horn's still there.
Yeah.
So the duck is still on its way out.
Here we go.
Yeah, here we go.
Walking down the street.
Now we're driving,
We
remember?
get the funniest looks from everyone we meet. Hey, we're the monkeys.
And no, we're not. Oh, geez, some people.
Oh,
All
no.
right, here we go, driving.
Come on. Get
Hold
some
on.
airflow, man.
Hold on, I gotta get the, what the, what do you want me to do?
Hit the go
Gotta
pedal.
make sure there's no cars coming. We just run into something with our Julietta.
Yeah.
That is Jewel. So, anyway.
There we go. Look at that.
Yeah, it's a 1960 biscuit eating son of a bitch.
That's right.
Biscayne. And
Uh-huh.
it's got a gas pedal and a
It
brake
does.
pedal and a shifter
A shifter.
and this steering
Steering
wheel
wheel.
and a this. I couldn't think what it was called.
Does it have a speedometer? Does it work?
It says 0.
Oh, we're going
It
0.
always says 0. So we're keeping the miles off of her.
That's good.
It always says 0. I guess it's not, maybe not hooked up.
That could be.
There's probably no cable on it.
Well, we'll look at that later.
We ain't worried about it for right now. We're
Oh,
just
no.
riding. When it
Just
goes
riding.
forward, backwards, turns right, left.
It's got brakes.
Yeah, it does have brakes. Fancy brakes that actually stop. All right, so we're gonna
Shifts.
go down here.
It's got windows in it.
Yeah, it does. It's unusual. Something different.
Unusual. It's not unusual to be
Oh my Lord.
loved by. I don't know what's wrong with me today.
I don't know. It's very hot. I think his brain is
heat
fried. He's singing show tunes for some reason. It's very unusual to be drugged by me. But this car, it runs.
It does. They just running.
We're driving it.
We're going
And
somewhere.
we're probably doing more than 0, even though it says 0.
It's possible.
And we're probably doing 25 or 30. That's better than 0.
It's very hot out today.
But it's you feel the breeze.
I feel the breeze.
No, this car's it's actually not near as bad as we were making it out to be.
Yeah, look how beauteous it is in here.
Yeah, the inside's in good shape.
See?
The main thing is
Uh-huh.
somebody put like half quarters on it.
Yeah. If you look in the trunk, they actually look.
Yeah, they welded them on
Right,
or whatever, but they just didn't do the mud work very
Right.
good.
They didn't finish it properly.
And you know, it's like flat blue, so you know, once you start sanding on it, then you're committing it to paint. So it's like it looks good enough for right now.
Yeah, I mean it's still.
But once you start blocking it and making it look like something, then you're gonna have to paint it.
It's still
So
a cool
like,
car. It's iconic.
Oh yeah,
It's got the cool little wings on the back.
yeah. I really like this
Bat
car.
wings.
I think this thing will be nice once we get, you know, Actually, don't really need nothing now, other than it needs to be cooler out so you can drive it without sweating to death.
Yeah.
These floor vents work?
Sweating to the oldies. Mine's open and working. At least open a little bit.
Yeah.
There you go. Look at that. That's open all
Now
the
we
way
got
down.
some floor vent.
Flint.
Floor vent. Flint. It runs good. Transmission shifts nice. Drive straight. I mean, we were under it there when we were working on it.
Yeah.
And somebody did the front end. They did ball joints and sway bar links and tie rod ends. I mean, it drives good.
And you saw the conversion, disc brake
It's got
conversion.
disc brake conversion, and
Good stuff.
it's not a bad car at all.
At all.
It's a family channel, isn't it?
Oh, that's right.
It's supposed to be. Opposed to be.
Opposed to be. All three of you watching, we appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Yeah, the last video on this car, you know, like 40 or 8 people watched it. 40 or 8, whichever. When do you like the videos to come out? Do you like for them to come out Sunday night? Do you like for them to come out Tuesday? Tuesday seems like we've gotten pretty good numbers on Tuesday.
Right, Tuesday, like at 2:30 or so in the afternoon.
Thursday was kind of a flop.
Yeah.
But
when will you be most likely to watch?
That's what most likely to at least, you know, notice it came up and watch it the following day or something.
Right.
You know, I know everybody's not right at their phone or computer when they first get dropped or whatever, but I'd like for you all to watch them. And this is really, to me, this is a really cool car. These are like, you know, the 58 to 64, that X-frame. They're really a neat car. You know, 59's like everybody's holy grail car because they like the cat's eye taillights, but I like the 60 with the round taillights. I think they're cool.
Yeah, me too.
And this being a 2-door post, it's a little bit different from the bubble top, but it's still a 2-door, and I don't know, it's just cool. Yeah, these things even in a 4-door are cool, but
yeah, especially the hard top with that cool roof line.
yeah, with the shelf roof on the back, shelf
awesome.
over the back window. The big wraparound back window's cool. So we did our, well, you were with us, so you know already. We did a little loop. Checked it out. I mean, the thing drives really good. And brakes work good. I mean, you know, for a manual steering, manual brake, stock 327 car, it runs great and it drives great.
Yep. If you get a minute, go back and see the video we did on it previous. So some repeat information, but there's some stuff in there that didn't make this video. Plus you get to see it really how it was before.
It really is cool. You know, you're driving down the street and people just breaking their neck to look at it.
Yeah.
So it's fun.
All right, that's our 60 Biscayne.
Yeah, it is the whole car.
That's it. I don't know what else to say. I just ran out of words.
It's blue with silver roof. I already said that, but you know, whatever. 2 thumbs, way up, down, whatever you want to do. Word up, down, goodbye to your mother-in-law. You know. But,
say hi to your mom for me.
Yeah,
we covered that at the beginning.
You want to say goodbye now.
Oh yeah, goodbye. Goodbye, everybody.
He doesn't know which end of the video it is. But anyway, there it is.
All right.
And we're going to come back at you with another car at some point. How about them apples?
All right.
I mean, who would have thunk it? I mean, another car at some point, that's a...
Gotta love it.
Yeah, that was a very big surprise. I mean, I know you guys didn't think we were going to come back with another car.
All right, till next time.
Goodbye.
We'll see you.
I didn't make any thumbs.
Oh.
It sounds like in the video that I made thumbs.
2 thumbs.
Play-Doh or something, but I didn't.